Hey folks, what's up? This is your boy Karen of Savant Technologies back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But before we do, let me just throw up the specs on screen. Feel free to pause the video and check it out thoroughly if you wish. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. First up, we see the glorious Note 10 Plus sitting up there, up front. But don't forget, under the lid, you have a document jacket with manuals, etc. There's a SIM eject tool and also a clear keys. Okay, let's put this Note 10 Plus aside to see what else is in there. And wow, the gorgeousness of this color, man. Yo, Samsung, this color is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna get back to this in a bit. So further into the unboxing, we get that 25 watt super fast charger, USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable, AKG USB-C headphones, USB-C dongle to connect flash drives or whatever else to your Note. Then last but not least, we got extra S Pen tips as well. Okay, so my first impressions on the Note 10 Plus. First things first, it's lighter than the Note 9 and also the OnePlus 7 Pro. However, that premium feel is still there. That build quality is on point. I like this boxy design, and yet still both sides are curved, which is cool in my opinion. Of course, there's no headphone jack this time around, and the power button is moved to the left side of the device. Now, this is gonna take a while to get used to for a lot of folks, including myself. And on the right side, it's just bare, there's nothing there. Of course, we got the mighty S Pen in this blue color. In the full review, I'll be taking a look at the new functions of this S Pen. Now regarding this Aura Glow color, it's quite reflective as you can see, but its primary color is like silver or chrome. That's more like it, chrome. Vids and pics don't really do it justice. To give you a fair estimate as to how big the Note 10 Plus really is, he has it up against the OnePlus 7 Pro, and he has it up against last year's Note 9. With initial time spent with the device so far, everything runs smooth, system apps open really quickly. Overall, I must say I'm loving this form factor. Even that punch hole up front, it's not too intrusive at all. So far, everything looks on par as to what you'll expect from a beast of a device like this. So stay tuned for the full review. This is it for the unboxing of the Note 10 Plus and also my first impressions. Any questions, you guys feel free to hit me up in the comments. Check me out on social media as well. All links are in the description. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bless.